I really need some boom. I got a lot of money inside my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for some fun Franciscan fireworks.
What's going on, guys? This is Jacob from Franciscan Fireworks with another 200-gram demo item called Arctic Storm. This thing looks pretty interesting. I think it's just going to be a crackler, but we'll take it out, we'll light the fuse and see. As usual, Cherry Bomb Fireworks nailed the labeling, and they nailed it too. And so we're excited to see how this performs. Let us know what you guys think of it in the comments below. Let's go out and light a fuse. We'd appreciate any comments or subscriptions or likes. Woo!